Hi, my name is Jalal. I am a solutions architect at the Human Protocol. We are here during BerlinBlockchainWeek to help spread awareness about the Human project. We're organising some side events, meetups, and we'd love everyone in the community to come and join us so we can tell them a little bit more about how we use humans to teach machines.
We're part of the Victoria International University of Applied Sciences here. It's lovely to welcome the Human Protocol here to deliver this meetup.
The Human Foundation is a non-profit foundation, and our primary focus is to create the core infrastructure that will allow other projects to build on top of us and utilise our globally decentralized workforces. We are hosting a number of side events where we will be discussing a lot of the work that we are doing with the scientific research community.